Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today we're down here at North Haven at the Refuge Cove Marina. Gorgeous day. We've been out for a run, as you can see, this morning. It was fairly well glassy, no breeze, one of those gorgeous summer days, and it was on none other than an iconic Mustang 2800. So this is a Series 2. We'll jump straight on board and have a good look through. Now, I've been lucky enough to have dealt with this boat now for the last I think it's 3 or 4 owners, and it's always been a good boat. It's always been well maintained. The owners over the years have done well keeping her relevant. At the back there's the barbecue, and this is removable. You'll see in a minute there's a bait board that can go in there as well, so you can pull that off and put the bait board in, or put the bait board in these fittings, so you can sort of interchange the barbecue on the bait board. So when you're stepping aboard these boats, a lot of people would be familiar with them, but if you're not, these are a 28-foot sports cruiser. They run a single V8 petrol engine with a stern drive. Now, the seats here, you can fold this up and fold the seat away, opening up this back area. Lovely teak table, custom teak table. So nice amount of seating for when you're wanting to entertain and sit down. And like I said, if you clear this out, it opens up a bit more room if you want to do a bit of fishing with your rod holders. And obviously a little bit more room for storage, whether it be scuba gear, or not scuba gear, but snorkeling gear and whatnot, in these back hatches with a fold out transom ladder. Engine bays right below us. You got a little wet bar, there's storage, and in here are your isolator switches for the battery. Now, over the years the electronics have been updated, changed, and as you can see, we're running the Lowrance Elite. Nice single big unit there for your chart plotter, depth sounder, all of those bits and pieces, with an updated VHF marine radio. So you can see at the helm as well, single helm chair with the chase lounge, so lots of seating for a boat this size. We'll have a look at the engine room last, but fairly well, pretty close to a fully rebuilt Horizon 6.2 litre Mercruiser. So a very rare engine option for this boat. You usually saw these in 5 litre or 5.7 litre. The 6.2, this boat just runs beautifully. It's got so much power, it's effortless. At 20 knots, it's not working very hard at all. So you've got the step up here taking you through up onto the bow, so you can work with the anchor lines, putting fenders on and off, etc. Clears and covers on this boat are all very quite good. They're all complete. There's only one crack on this window. This is the clear that obviously sees a lot more of the sun, so everything else is very good. So there's just this one panel that'll need to be replaced, but otherwise she's looking very good. When you step down below on these boats, again, if you're familiar with them, you've got the seating up forward that can be used as berths if need be. Galley just has the single alcohol cooker, galley fridge, storage up above, shelving, your switches, sorry about the phone, fusion head unit. And when you come down off to port, this one's also got the TV, which is lovely. More storage down through here. There's a pull-out shower and a fully electric, again updated, quite new marine toilet. So they do offer a lot of functionality. Lovely head there, plenty of space for a boat this size. And aft under the companionway, we've got our life jacket stored here at the moment, and the aft cover, but there's a double bed back here, so you can comfortably sleep 4 people on this boat. They're great family boats, great cruisers. You see a lot of people, you know, they're either upgrading from a smaller boat to get into one of these, or a 28 becomes a entry-level boat to get used to owning something a bit bigger that's berthed. So we do see a lot of these. They're still very popular. Updated speakers. I mean, the current owner of this one is only putting her on the market because they've gone up to a Mustang 3500, decided they absolutely loved it, but were ready to go a bit bigger again. So there she is. General look around at the condition. we'll jump into that engine bay now. I'll just move this table out of the way and we'll jump down in there and have a look. Okay, table's out. As you can see, that seat has folded away under here. So it's storage, and obviously for the seat, you just peel the carpet up nice and easy. And in we go. So again, boat of this age, really happy with this engine room. You know, we deal with a lot of boats of all varieties, from trailer sailors to sports cruisers to motor yachts, everything in between. I'm very happy with this. Motor's very clean. Like I said, heap of work's been done. It's an after-cooled 6.2 litre single point injection. So yeah, runs great, sounds great, performance is unbelievable. Batteries are fairly new. This is not old at all. This is at the Blackwater tank that was installed, and just behind me where I'm sitting is the aluminium fuel tank. Again, it's not showing any signs of corrosion or anything like that. So really, really happy. It's good to see this boat. I think it was one of the first boats when I started doing this for a living that I sold, going back about eight odd years ago, 9 years ago or something. So she's back again. Really happy with how she's been kept. So anyway, Series 2, 2800, running a 6.2 litre, and really low hours since all the new injectors there that we put in, but otherwise the boat itself is only recorded at 559. So excellent. Yeah, if you like what you see, I'll put all the information in the description below. But once again, thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.